How much should you actually spend on a bottle jack? It's tricky because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Big Red T90413. The Big Red T90413 caught my eye right away, especially with its price tag of just $39.99. This jock boasts a solid 4-ton capacity, making it a great choice for both residential and commercial use. If you want a reliable jack that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It offers a lifting range of 7.5 to 14.31 inches, perfect for most cars and SUVs. The rugged design with a wide base enhances stability, so you won't have to worry about it tipping over while you're working. Plus, it meets ASME safety standards, which is a nice peace of mind. With over 1,000 units sold last month, it's clear people are trusting this jock. Now, some people complained about it being a bit heavy to carry around. Here's the thing though, it's a trade-off for durability. If you don't mind a little extra weight for something that can handle tough jobs, then you'll likely be satisfied. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable jack for everyday vehicle repairs. Skip this one if portability is your top priority, but for the price, it's a solid investment.
Product number 2, Powerbilt Uni-Jack, priced at $89.92. What's cool about this one is it combines a bottle jack and jack stands into one. If convenience is what you're after, this is definitely worth checking out. This jack has a lifting capacity of 3 tons and a height range that goes from 11 to 21 inches, which is great for SUVs and trucks. The built-in ratcheting safety bar locks it in place, so you can work with confidence. With over 900 of these sold in the past month, it's gaining some serious traction. This jack is also designed with a wide base to prevent sinking in softer ground, making it ideal for RVs and off-road vehicles. Some users have mentioned that it can be a bit awkward to maneuver in tight spaces, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, the convenience it offers outweighs this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you frequently work on larger vehicles or need a reliable jack for outdoor use. Skip this if you only work on small cars, but it's a fantastic value for what you get.
Product number 3, DNA Motoring Jack. Let's talk about the DNA Motoring Hydraulic Bottle Jack, which comes in at just $29.99. This jack can lift an impressive 6 tons, making it suitable for heavier vehicles. If you need some serious lifting power, this one's worth your attention. The lifting range of 8.6 to 17 inches means it can tackle a variety of tasks, whether you're working on a pickup or a truck. It's made from high-grade steel and is designed with anti-corrosion treatment, which is great for longevity. With over 700 units flying off the shelf last month, people clearly trust this jack for their heavy lifting needs. However, some users noted that the handle can feel a bit flimsy. I'll be real with you, while it's not the most premium feel, it gets the job done and holds up under pressure. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself handling heavier vehicles or need a reliable jack for your garage. Skip this if you want something more portable, but for the price and power, it's hard to beat.
Product number 4, Big Red TAM 90403B. The Big Red TAM 90403B is next on the list, and at $20.26, it's a steal for a bottle jack. With a 4-ton capacity, it's perfect for everyday car maintenance. If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable option, this is definitely one to consider. It has a lifting height range similar to the T90413 from 7.5 to 14.31 inches and features a serrated saddle for a secure grip. The durable construction ensures it won't leak, and it's designed to lift with minimal effort. It's garnered over 600 purchases recently, so clearly people are finding value here. However, some folks have pointed out that the jack can be a bit slow to lift. Here's the thing though, if you're not in a rush, this price point makes it a great choice for casual use. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly jack for light to moderate tasks. Skip this if you need quicker lifting speed, but for the price, it's hard to argue against it. Product number 5, Big Red AT91003BB. We have the Big Red AT91003BB, priced at $34.99. This one can lift a whopping 10 tons, which is impressive. If you need something that can handle heavy-duty jobs, this is worth your serious consideration. The height range goes from 8.81 to 17.63 inches, making it versatile for various vehicles. Like the other Big Red models, it's built with a drop-forged alloyed steel construction for durability. The overload valve is a great feature for protecting the hydraulic system, and with 500 sold last month, it's clearly gaining popularity. Some users have expressed concerns about its weight, making it less portable. But honestly, if you're dealing with heavy lifting regularly, the weight is a small price to pay for stability and reliability. This is perfect for you if you work with heavier vehicles or need a jock that won't fail under pressure. Skip this if you prioritize portability, but for heavy-duty tasks, it's a solid investment.
So, to wrap it up, the Big Red T90413 is great for everyday use. The Powerbuilt Uni-Jack excels in convenience. The DNA motoring jack offers power at a low price. The Big Red ATM 90403B is a budget-friendly option, and the AT91003BB is your go-to for heavy-duty tasks. Each has its strengths, so it really depends on what you need most.